Hello, welcome to another AISEMA tutorial. This time we will show you how to find the best partner in the area you are interested in. To search directly among the partner database, select the Partners section at the bottom of the dashboard. Here, in the search bar, you can simply enter keywords, sentences, or description of who you are looking for. After entering the topic you are interested in, click Analyze. Here, we see a dashboard with a summary of the search, while in the lower right corner, we can scroll down to see the list of partners. Here, you get a list of partners who have experience in the area you want to check. If you click on the bar of the selected partner, details and data about the given restriction will open. Here, AISEMA presents the details. Below, you can see the list of projects implemented by this partner. Now, we present what the card of a partner who has filled in contact details for their institution looks like. Thanks to this, you can easily read the description of the selected partner, call, or write an email. If you contact us with the desire to fill in the contact details for your organization, we will unblock this option for you and make it easier for others to contact you. Returning to the main dashboard. Now, to search for a specific partner, click on Partners. In the search box, enter a phrase or the specific name of the partner you're looking for. To narrow down the results, select the exact search option. AISEMA will then show organizations that contain the phrase you entered in their name. And here is a list of ready-made partners containing the word Polytechnica in their name. That's all for this tutorial. We encourage you to check AISEMA yourself at www.aisema.eu. See you in next videos.